Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Learning Channel, English Vocabs. Today, we are going to learn 20 action vocabulary with sentence. Jump. He was jumping up and down with excitement. You made me jump. Sing. I asked her to sing some carols. We sing along to all the songs. Study. He's in the study. He devotes all his spare time to study. Eat. He was too ill to eat. It looks too good to eat. Dance. Would you like to dance? The last dance had been played. Cry. He cried with anger and frustration. Cry with one eye and laugh with the other. Kneel? She asks her son to kneel down. People sometimes kneel to pray. Punch. She gave him a punch on the nose. The punch stunned me for a moment. Swim. She can't swim. Shall we go for a swim? Think. I don't think so. I think this is their house. Read. Can't you read his mood? I had a quick read of it. Pull. Pull her back. She'll fall. I took a pull on a pipe. Sit down. We had a sit-down lunch. Come in and sit yourselves down. Drink. Don't drink and drive. We ran out of drink. Cook. I'm a good cook. He was the head cook. Carry. Could you carry this bag for me? Let me carry your bags for you. Sleep. Go back to sleep. How did you sleep? Just try this. Try to write 2 sentences for this action vocabulary in comment section. If you like my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.